In this video, we'll show you how to replace the belt on your Greenworks 22-inch snow thrower. This guide can be followed for all the 60-volt and 80-volt models. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. The battery should always be removed before performing any maintenance. Customers are also encouraged to wear safety gloves. Tools required. You will need a T20 Torx screwdriver. Let's get started. Turn the snow thrower onto its side. Remove the screw securing the belt cover using the T20 Torx screwdriver. If the belt is still intact, remove it by turning the large pulley with one hand and gradually lifting the belt with the other. To install the new belt, turn the large pulley and guide the new belt into place with your hand. Be advised that often a new belt may feel too small as it has not been worked in yet. Once seated, you can place the belt cover back into place. Install and tighten the screws that you previously removed. Return the unit to the upright position. Install a battery and turn the unit on to verify that the belt was installed correctly. Properly maintained, your Greenworks snow thrower will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.